Today I'm going to be working on a Yale 2-lever lock and showing you how I go about picking it. But first, I want to tell you that I am going to have hip surgery in the next few days. Have my right hip replaced. Last year I had my left hip replaced. So now I have a matching pair. So I'll be out of commission for a few weeks and probably won't be making any videos since my lock lab is above my garage and I have to climb steps to do that. And I don't think I'll be in a position to do that for a while. So let's get to picking here. This is a very nice Yale. It has a sandblast type finish to it. And it says up here, Yale in Town Manufacturing Company, Stamford, Connecticut. And it's a pipe key lock. You can see the post here. And it has 2 levers in it. And show you inside of what I can see. Get in here and you can see it has 2 chambers, a front chamber and a back chamber. It's divided by that brass wall there because it kind of acts as a ward for the key, which I do not have, but I have one similar right here, and it has 2 bits on it, one for the back chamber and one for the front chamber here. This isn't the key for it, but it is a pipe key. It's just too small to fit over the post here. But basically, these 2 teeth engage the 2 levers simultaneously to release the shackle. And this is spring-loaded. It's got a strong spring on it, and it has no bolt. It doesn't need one because of the spring. So what you have to do is pick the lever in the back chamber and the front chamber simultaneously to get the spring to release the shackle. And that's what I intend to do here. Hold it in my hand. Here's a tool I made from an old key. This front one is going to be for lifting the rear chamber lever, and this pick here is going to manipulate the front lever chamber. And we're doing that simultaneously. And if that works, the lock should pop open. I have to maneuver around that warding. Yeah. Now that front is engaging the rear lever right now, and the front chamber is empty. And I'll insert the pick wire here to the front chamber, rotate it, hopefully open the lock. Now the hardest part of this is getting the pick wire in there. And not getting the tensioner to pop out and go into the front chamber. There, let's see if we can get it. Hardest thing was getting the pick wire in. There we have it, the Yale 2-lever padlock. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you real soon.